Hi, I'm John at Banana Baby, and in this video I am going to assemble the Babyhood Fold-n-Go cot. Let's get started. Whoop. Oh. Always read the instructions. So make sure you remove everything nicely and ready for assembly, which also means neatly placing all your parts. If it says hardware, there's something inside. Don't throw it away. Yes, I assemble hundreds of thousands of cots, but I still read the instructions, and so should you. So just notice that this side here has a spring-loaded pin. That side is for the drop side. So I set the mattress base at the lower level, and you see this hole here? I'm going to put this pin in. This is the pin that's going to hold the mattress base. And the mattress base can pivot up, which allows this cot to fold. So I just want to make sure it doesn't go through, because the mattress base is just going to sit here, and then I'm going to push it through. Just to hold it in place, just get the pin, push it through, not all the way through. Yep, that holds it. These ones need to go underneath. Just turn it in. So as I said, this is the front, the drop side of the cot. We also need to put this in here, and just put that in, and then we're ready to put the drop side on. Okay, so I'm ready to put the front drop side section on. Just make sure that the logo is facing outwards, okay? That's the most important thing. Okay, so that's in. That's in. Now that pin, just push it in. Push it, and then push. Yeah. The pin, just push it in. Where is it? Push it. Slide it in. And slide it in. Oh no. Okay, so I made a little error here, which is probably going to happen when you're installing it as well. The drop side, you see this little bolt here? This should have went inside the rail, so it should have went in and then it should be very flush. At the moment it's sitting outside of the rail. So to fix this problem, all I'm going to do is loosen the bolt on the side and then pull it out a bit gently and then get it back in. Okay, so that seems to be back in. Okay, so before we go any further, it's basically done, and all we need to do now is just check the drop side. That looks good. And now we just finish off by filling in all the leftover holes with the remaining screws and put the wheels on. So we just have to fill in these holes just to stop little baby's fingers getting caught in them, okay? And we'll just do that. So this cot comes with wheels. I'm just going to put the wheels on. So it's kind of weird. They give you an Allen key, and then this part here that comes off, to put the wheels on, you're going to need a wrench or a spanner just to be able to hold it and then turn it in nice and tight, or a plier, okay? So that's it, the Babyhood Fold-n-Go cot. It's completed and it's a standard size 60 by 120 size mattress. The drop side operates just like this and lift it up, lift this and just like that. Now this is a fold and go, so you probably want to see it folded. That is not the mattress, that is the mattress base. So firstly, to fold it, we need to just lift up the base. So the base is lifted and all we need to do, oh, it's already doing it. And that's it, it's folded.